Let's see how to change the battery in this Lexus key fob, the one they've been using in models since late 2022. Look, it's important to do this carefully because this key fob is not cheap at all. And if we break it, well, it's going to hurt our wallet. I'll leave links in the description to the exact battery. It's a CR2032, and also some accessories that might come in handy. Let's do this. First, take out the small physical key inside. Press the side button and pull it out gently, without forcing it. It comes out on its own with a little pressure. Now, with the key out, press lightly on the logo area and slide the cover to the right. You'll see it comes off with a smooth motion. If you feel any resistance, make sure you're sliding it correctly, and try again calmly. No rush. Once you've removed the cover, you'll see a small cover that protects the battery. Lift it up carefully. Now, with the tip of the key, use it as a little lever and take out the old battery. Put the new battery in with the same orientation. Press down until it's secure, and put the small inner cover back on. Now it's time to put everything back together. Place the main cover by sliding it until it clicks into place, and put the physical key back in. Test the buttons: lock, unlock, and if your model has it, the trunk button. If it doesn't work, check that the battery is installed correctly with the right polarity. Oh, and this is my case, which, as you can see, is pretty worn out from so much use. I use it to protect the key fob, because think about it. If you want to sell the car in the future, or you simply drop it on the ground, this key costs an arm and a leg. So I recommend getting a case like this one. I also put an AirTag on mine, in case I ever lose it, so I can locate it quickly. Below, I'll leave you some other, more affordable options that work just like the AirTag that I've discovered recently, plus the links for the battery and the case. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope it was helpful. See you in the next one.